Hi everybody, we're doing a flip cup. This is the first technique and really one of the most fun. So when you're pouring in your paint here, this is what's important. You want to start with a good base of white. We're going to add the blue in, but we're going to only add it in half of the side. You're just filling it halfway. And on the other side of that, right next to it, we're going to lay in kind of like two half moon shapes of blue and yellow next to each other. You can cover that with the red completely because you'll have purples and greens that pop up through that. So then you just separate with the white again, and I'm using trying to create laciness there, trying to create a little bit of texture, and then the blue again. Now we're filling the cup, remember, so we had the blue on one side, now we're going to put it on the opposite side of the cup, and you can see that a little bit better, the half moon shapes there. See, that's how it should look. Then we're going to cover that again with the red. And now black in any composition is sparingly used. We're using it here for our drama. We're just dripping it in, just a little bit. Now, your canvas is sitting on top of some extra popsicle sticks that we put in there for you. Keep it up off the table so it can flow easy. It's going to flow down and around just like that. So you have a dry canvas, and we flip that cup. Now we just let it sit here for a second and drain. We're going to add some paint around the sides. Now this creates a little bit of suction when you lift the cup, as you'll see here, and it also helps the paint spread across the surface. So go ahead and get all your paint out of your cup. And I'll give you a few tips about the tilting. Sorry about the glare right there. But when you're tilting here, it looks like I'm doing it really fast. It's because I've sped it up for you here in this scene, so to save time. But I'm actually moving quite slow. Tilt slowly. You can't get it back on the canvas once it's off. Think about your composition here as you're playing around. This is me just taking the popsicle stick and barely encouraging the paint to just continue to flow over the edges where I want it, adjusting my composition again, keeping the things I like. This laciness is really great. This was our first pour. We hope yours was just as exciting and fun as this one turned out to be. I'm sure it is. You're an artist. Come on back for the next one. You're going to enjoy it.